ordered my spaghetti aglio olio with prawns. I'm quickly gonna give you my room tour. Hey guys, good morning and welcome to my day 2 of the vlog, Goa vlog. So we are just heading towards the breakfast, and this is like our hotel where we are staying. I'm gonna show you today the room tour. So we have like destroyed the entire room, and everywhere like our things and luggages and clothes, but still I'm gonna show you. But first just like go and have the breakfast because the timings are till 11 and we do not want to miss it. And then we're gonna go, like I have an entire itinerary planned, and it's gonna be fun. So yeah, let's go and do the breakfast first. Guys, we are just having our breakfast, and we are having some masala dosa and some toast and some aloo. This, I don't know what is this.
Bonda.
Bonda? Aloo bonda. Okay, that's a weird name, right? So yeah. So guys, we are ready and we are leaving for Chatpura Fort today. So that's like our first destination today, and I'm ready. Just have this stroll because it's too hot, and the sunlight is like very harsh. We have applied sunscreen lotion, which is very important, but this is like an extra protection. So yeah, let's go. So guys, we are climbing the stairs of Chatpura Fort, and it's beautiful. It's beautiful. That's the sea, and if you just see around, it's like hilly mountains all over, coconut trees, and beautiful view. What a breathtaking view it is. So guys, if you come to Chatpura Fort, you don't have to pay any ticket because there is nothing. To be honest, there is like nothing in here. You just see the grounds and grounds, and of course you can see the view, like it's ocean view and very pretty, but there is no fort. You just see like few walls standing here. So yeah, we climbed kind of for nothing, but the view was good, so we are like, oh, it's okay. And if you like the movie Dil Chahta, you can definitely come here and, you know, relive that moment. But it's a long walk, so decide for yourself if you want to come here or not. But it's this, which you can like see behind me. That's the Chatpura Fort. Guys, we just found like a ghost. Can you see? He has no face. Ah, so cool. Oh my god, this is so cool. He does not have a face. He's Prabhu Deva, yeah. So you can like see ghost if you are coming to Chatpura Fort. So that's what you get. We are at Thalassa, Goa, and it is a Greek themed restaurant and very pretty, and you're just sitting right beside the sea, and it is so pretty. I just ordered my spaghetti aglio olio with prawns, and it's amazing. And Saurabh is having his chicken soup.
Yeah.
How is it, Saurabh? How's it?
It's nice. It's very nice.
Very nice.
Very, very.
Okay, and look at the view. It's so pretty. We're just sitting here and enjoying our meal. Guys, after Thalassa, we were going back to our hotel, but we stayed here because it looks so amazing, and it's about to, like, the sunset is about to happen and it is so pretty. I'm gonna show you. It's the low tide area right now here, and it is very pretty. It's just outside Thalassa. Look at that. I'm quickly gonna give you my room tour, and it's a superior room that we have, and you get a closet like this, and you have a dresser here. The room is a little here and there because all of our luggages are open and all of our things are here. And then you have your washroom, and it's a pretty decent washroom with like the amenities. It's a shower area and the WC and everything is there, so I really like the washroom area. And then you have the room. You have a television and a tea coffee maker and everything. Like, you also have a study table, and then that is the bed that you get. So it is a pretty decent room considering the price. But yes, I do have like some issues with the hotel because I feel like the hotel rooms are not very clean, and they could like do pretty like good job, but I think, like, this is my personal take, that the rooms and the hotel is not that clean, but the staff is like really warm and helpful. But yeah, they can do a better job in like cleaning the rooms and providing more equipments like hand wash and all of that, you know, slippers and stuff like that. But it's not in the room, so that's what it is. Also, these curtains, you know, beyond this you'll have a small little balcony, which I'm gonna show you tomorrow, like in the morning, so that you will have a fair idea of how the balcony looks like. So I also have a balcony outside, so I am pretty like happy with the room, kind of happy. So that's the entire room. So guys, this is the balcony that I promised you to show. So this is the balcony that comes with the room, and that's the view outside the balcony. Guys, we came back to our hotel after doing our lunch from Thalassa, and then we spent the sunset looking through the ocean, and it was a beautiful sunset. And then we came back to the hotel because we were very tired, and now we are going for our dinner to Toy Beach Club. So yeah, I'm pretty excited to see that place as well. So let's go. Hey guys, so we went to Toy Beach Club, but that was closed. I think because of the COVID situation, like some of the restaurants are like closed. So we are here at Fisherman's Cove and we are having our dinner here, and it's quite lit. Like a lot of crowd is here and the food is really nice. So today we ordered something like different, like Indian for a change. So we have ordered some chicken masala and some dal and roti, and I'm having my Pepsi. So yeah. Saurabh, how was the food?
Oh yes.
Yeah, it was nice, right?
Very.
So yeah, we'll just go back to the hotel and sleep for tonight, and then we'll see what our plan is for tomorrow. So yeah guys, I'll see you in my next vlog. the next series of my vlog for day 3. Till then, bye.